Wltoys A959 Vortex is a 1/18 scale buggy RC car. It is RTR, that means ready to run off the package, and it is designed for both off-road and on-road driving. This car can reach 50 km per hour, and in this video I'm going to try to review it, which is a courtesy of gearbest.com. The Wltoys A959 is a buggy-style four-wheel drive off-road or on-road RC car. And I can honestly say that this car is between toy and hobby grade. And as you expect, I'm going to start with the box. The sizes are 23 cm high, 31 cm width and 22 cm depth. It's a bit bigger box, since it includes everything you'll need. And the weight of the box is exactly 1.5 kilograms. Gearbest has a free shipping option for this product. So, it will be delivered to your address without any shipping fee. As I said before, this product is ready to run. That means, there is a battery, charger and a transmitter in the box. As we look at the content of the box, there is a V959 RC car first. Then the 2.4 GHz transmitter. A user manual in English. A power adapter suitable for your country, a balanced charger and finally a 1100 mAh 7.4 volts 2S LiPo battery. But, a few spare canopy clips or any other spare parts would be better in the box. The Wltoys A959 is neither small nor big when we compare it with other RC cars. Now, I would like to give the details on the sizes and the weight of this car. The sizes are 175 mm depth, 245 mm width and 94 mm height. And it's about 520 grams in total with the battery. The A959 Vortex is equipped with a brushed motor, not with a brushless one. So, I recommend you to let the motor rest at least for 15 minutes between each run. Now, you can see some featured components of the A959. These components can be bought as spare parts in advance, just in case. Especially the motor, since it is a brushed one. The shock absorbers on the A959 are enough resistant, as you can see. It feels safe when you press onto the car. That means, when you do some acrobatics, the car will prevent any breakings. But, I have to say that, when I see some tests or reviews on the V959, some parts, especially suspensions, were easily breakable. So, be careful when you drive an RC car. By the way, I have to mention that this car has two color options, red black and blue white. You can order whichever you like. The 2S and 7.4 volts 1100 mAh lithium polymer battery can provide 10 to 11 minutes running time depending on your style and speed, and it can be charged in about 2 hours. The control distance for this RC car is about 100 meters. Now, you are looking at the transmitter. This transmitter does look like a Spectrum transmitter without an LCD display. It works with 4 AA batteries, but they are not included in the package. Usage of this transmitter is very easy, not like RC helicopter's transmitter. Now, I'll mark the button's functions. All you have to do is inserting 4 AA batteries to the transmitter, connecting the LiPo battery to the car, pushing the power switch on it and then turning on the transmitter. Then, you just have to push the throttle stick by inserting your finger in it. You can use the round wheel-like control for turning right or left. If the car goes to any direction without your command, you can use the trim setting on the front side of the transmitter. Now, I'll show you how to give throttle or turn right or left. You can also go reverse by pulling the throttle stick to the opposite direction. The transmitter is compatible with other Wltoys RC cars like K929. Besides, the batteries are also compatible. The tires of the A959 have enough grip and it can climb hills easily, as you will show on the sample videos in the next section. I have to admit that this car is really fast, and it is stated on the box, the A959 can reach 50 km per hour. To be honest, I don't know if it reaches 50 km, but it is fast enough. However, after a few minutes of using, the motor will be very hot and you can't even touch it or bottom of the car. So, it is better to lender mech at least for 15 minutes. This will be better for the motor's health. In this section of my video, I'm going to show you some videos of the Wltoys A959 on asphalt and dirt. Besides, you can use it on snow, rain or any bad weather conditions to a degree on all the surfaces. But I recommend you to be careful with the water. It may damage the electronics. And I also recommend you to be careful, since some parts of this car is not very durable. You can easily break them if you hit on high speed. Thanks for watching my video. Please like it.